How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Doyle here from Premier RV, and today is a special day because Venture has finally done it and we finally have it. The Venture Sporttrek Touring Edition fifth wheel, the first fifth wheel from Venture RV. This one is a 353 VIK floor plan. This one is incredible, so let's dive right into it. Stepping inside and exploring the interior, it's got 5/8 inch tongue and groove plywood floor decking, which is durable and elegant. Blackout roller shades to control the lighting to your liking. It's got dual fireplaces, one in the living room and one in the bedroom for extra coziness. It's got decorative crown molding, which adds a touch of class to your living space. Solid hardwood cabinet doors and drawers made from heirloom maple and antique white with glazing for a timeless look. It's got a steel trimmed entry door with a Venture heading for added security, and a dinette table with 2 chairs featuring seat storage and 2 Versa benches. The living room is equipped with a comfortable sofa, 2 theater seats that face the entertainment center equipped with one of those fireplaces, a 50-inch LED smart TV, and a JBL soundbar with Bluetooth, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes and movies in style. Heading into the kitchen, this feature is awesome. An 18-inch GE stainless steel profile dishwasher. No need to do the dishes by hand. It's got a stainless steel undermount farmer's sink, which is stylish and practical. Solid surface countertops in antique white with oil rubbed glazing for an elegant touch. It's got a 21-inch Furrion oven with cooktop and glass cover, so you can cook like a pro on the road. It's got a 16 cubic foot 12-volt double door refrigerator with ample space for all of your groceries. It's got a pantry with adjustable shelves to keep your kitchen well organized, and a wine rack, which is perfect for all the wine connoisseurs out there. Your bedroom is your sanctuary on the road, and this one does not disappoint. It's got a Serta 70-inch by 80-inch king mattress for that great night's sleep. It's got Western pine board decorative accent walls for that touch of rustic elegance. It's got a CPAP size shelf with a 110 outlet so you can stay connected and comfortable. And it's also got a cushioned window seat with storage so you can relax with a view. This bedroom comes with maximum storage design, 4 closets, 2 blanket storage areas, and 1 dresser with that hidden storage up front. Last but not least, let's talk about the bathroom. Residential fiberglass shower, spacious with a shelf, seat, and glass door. Skylight for that natural light for a bright and airy feeling. It's got motion activated lighting that's convenient and energy saving. It's also got a Fogatti tankless on-demand water heater so you never run out of hot water. This interior tackles all of the elements with a 30K BTU furnace to stay warm and cozy in any climate. And it's got a 15K BTU AC with a HEPA filter and RV airflow system for more efficient cooling. And in the bedroom, it also has a 13.5K AC with the HEPA filter and the RV airflow system, making your bedroom even more comfortable. It's got a heated and enclosed underbelly that ensures you stay comfortable in all the weather conditions, and a 360-degree wrapped radiant foil insulation to keep you comfortable. Heated holding tanks prevent freezing in colder climates, and it's got a PVC roof membrane which reflects the sun's UV rays and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. This one's got motorhome style slam latch baggage doors, allowing you easy access to your storage compartment, where you will find a plethora of storage for all your items. 185 cubic feet of pass-through storage, which is the best in class, offering ample space for all of your gear and essentials, due in part to the BAL NXG Huck bolted drop frame, providing stability and strength for your journey. It's got a BAL 4-point electric leveling system, so you can say goodbye to manual leveling. This system makes setup a breeze. And a BAL accessory hitch with a 300-pound hitch weight and 3,000-pound towing capacity. It's got a more ride rubber pin box to enhance your towing experience with improved stability. A more ride CRE 3000 suspension system so you can say goodbye to all those road bumps. It's got Goodyear endurance tires to ensure safety on the road. And it's got a high gloss fiberglass front cap with an integrated automotive paint and windshield. And last but not least, it's got frameless tinted windows, which adds a sleek look and improved insulation. Now time for the solar. This one has an option for a 1,200 watt inverter, which we do have equipped on ours. Perfect for powering your essentials off the grid, and that comes with a 200 watt solar panel on the roof. This is perfect for trickle charging your battery on the go. There you have it, folks. The Sporttrek Touring fifth wheel. Venture really knocked it out of the park with this one, in my opinion. It really combines comfort, functionality, and luxury all in one, and gives you a unique style that no one else has. If you like this one and want to learn more, make sure to call the number below or check out premierrv.com or come find us in Bluegrass, Iowa. We've got this one way under MSRP right now. We got great deals you aren't going to find anywhere else, so come check our website for the most up-to-date pricing, as it is always changing. I'll link that in the description below. Thanks for watching, everybody. We got tons more 2024 videos coming your way, so make sure to be subscribed, leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think of this one, and as always, happy camping.